In a previous lesson, we discussed swept cuts. But be aware that if using sweeps, you also have the ability to use a solid body as a cutting tool. There are just a couple of rules that you have to keep in mind. Here on this part, I'm going to use the red geometry as my tool body to sweep a cut along the path sketch that I've already created. The red body was created using a revolve feature, which is the first rule. The tool body must always be a revolve feature. Second, when it was created, the merge result checkbox must be unchecked, resulting in the two separate bodies. Finally, the path sketch that we'll be using here intersects with the tool body, and all of the segments have sketch fillets that create tangency around the path. To launch the swept cut feature, I can select the icon from the Features toolbar. To use the solid body as our cutting tool, I'll enable the solid sweep option. The procedure here is almost identical to a regular sweep. If I hover my cursor over the first input window, you can see that SOLIDWORKS is prompting me to select the tool body. I'll select the red tool body, and when I do, the other selection window becomes active where I can select the path sketch. When I select it, the entire path will highlight. I'll click OK, and the feature is created. Notice the tool body is no longer visible, and if you look in the Solid Bodies folder, only the main body is shown. This is because the swept cut feature consumed the tooling body after the cut. Let's go through one more quick example. Here I have an extruded cylinder, and again, another revolved tool body that I can use for the cut. The path sketch I'll be using here is a helix. I'll again launch the swept cut tool. Enable the solid sweep option. I'll select the revolved tool body, and the helix is our path. I'll click OK, and the solid swept cut is created.